What is proof of stake? And why are so many blockchains moving away from mining? In this video, we'll explain how proof of stake works and why it became one of the most widely used systems in blockchain networks. What is proof of stake? Proof of stake is a system used by blockchains to validate transactions and secure the network. Instead of using energy and hardware like mining, it uses staked tokens. Participants lock their tokens in the network. These tokens act as collateral. The network then selects validators to confirm transactions and create new blocks. How it works. Here's a simplified process. Users stake tokens. The network selects a validator. The validator verifies transactions. A new block is added. Rewards are distributed. Selection is usually based on amount of tokens staked. Randomization. Validator performance. This makes the system both efficient and secure. Why it replaced mining? In proof-of-work systems, mining requires high energy consumption. Specialized hardware is needed. Entry barriers are high. Proof of stake solves these problems. Lower energy usage. No need for expensive hardware. More accessible participation. That's why many newer blockchains choose proof of stake. Key advantages. Proof of stake offers energy efficiency, scalability potential, lower operational costs, broader participation, but it also introduces new considerations. Capital requirements, validator trust, network design complexity. Proof of stake is the foundation of many modern blockchain systems. It changes how networks are secured, from energy-based to capital-based participation. In the next video, we'll compare proof of stake versus proof of work, and where each system still matters. If you want clear, structured explanations, subscribe. Education, not speculation.